Hi, I'm Gregorio from DigiDNA, and today I'm introducing a brand new feature in iMazing 2.11. We've rebuilt our Photos tool from the ground up with pretty stunning results. This is an iPhone XS that we use for internal testing. Now, we've built a fake photo library I'm going to load from the phone right now. So everyone in the team contributed a few pictures to this library. You'll see mainly shoes and landscapes and food in there. Yes, lots of food. So you see it's streaming the pictures straight from the phone, and it's letting me browse the phone's photo library without having to copy anything to the hard drive. It's caching the thumbnails, but nothing else. And you see how it's prioritizing where I am. I can scrub, and it will just preload the thumbnails wherever I stop. On the right here, you see all the metadata. Let's find a more interesting picture with a bit more data. Okay, this one is a bit more pretty. Here we even have location data. If you double-click on the map here, you'll be taken to Google Maps with a pin right where this picture was taken. And now you can also scroll right here. You can pick up pretty much anything and drop it on your desktop. It all works very intuitively. Now, you notice how there are 1,300 pictures in this library, and already now everything is preloaded and scrollable. We haven't been together for 2 minutes yet. It's all there, ready to be previewed, exported, and you can even go into full screen mode and just enjoy your pictures without having to transfer them to your computer. Okay, so I'll show you some of the other available features. Here you have all the album and media types that you would find on the phone itself. Let's have a look at a portrait mode image. Ooh, shoes, as I was telling you. So this is a portrait mode picture of a pair of shoes. We can click here on the additional asset we have available. That's actually the original picture in HEIC format. You see that the portrait mode effect hasn't been applied yet. We can grab this original and drop it here. Then you see that the original is 1 megabyte. It's right here. And the portrait effect is actually a JPEG, which is a bit less efficient, and it's 1.89 megabytes. Okay, pretty cool. So which shop was this purchased from? Okay, we could just double-click here and have a look. So besides shoes, we also have live photos. Let's have a look at, okay, a nice waterfall. I believe that's in Lauterbrunnen in Switzerland. Yeah, so you see the nice looping effect. It's reproduced here. It looks like there's an Instagram kind of effect, dramatic dark or something applied to it. And here we can have access to the original as well. So you see for just one live photo, in fact, you have all these 5 assets available. And you can pick any one of them and just drag and drop it to your desktop. It can't be any easier. Now, let's have a look at the export feature. I can select everything. I'll go back to all photos, select everything. Oh, sorry about that. I selected the entire sidebar instead. Select everything and click export. Now, in the export wizard, iMazing lets you choose exactly what you want to export to your computer. You can have the video files of the live photos, the pre-portrait mode originals of portrait modes, photos. Then you have all the frames of the bursts, screenshots, videos, whatever's on the phone. You can pick exactly what you want to export. You also have some powerful export functions for folder hierarchy, for originals of edited items. You can use our own naming scheme or the original file names, and you can convert HEIC to JPEG and adjust quality if you want to do that. Now, last, we'll have a look at how backups are handled. If you have iMazing backups, let's say you've deleted a picture and you've removed it from the recently deleted photos, well, you can still go in a backup. You double-click the backup, and now iMazing loads the photo library from that backup. Let's see if we can find our pictures there. Okay, it has to decrypt the backup because the backup is encrypted. So this takes just a few seconds. And now I'm browsing the photo library from the backup. And in the recently deleted album, I have access to all the deleted pictures from that time. Pretty amazing. I can recover just about anything. Okay, so that concludes our little overview of iMazing's new Photos section. It's available in the 2.11 Mac release and very soon on the Windows version as well. If you don't have iMazing yet, you can give it a test trial. Just download it at imazing.com/download. No registration needed at all. Okay, that concludes our short introduction, and please do send us feedback and tell us what you think about the feature. Bye-bye.